So, small pujas we can do during this time. So those of you who are interested to stay back for another 20-30 minutes, what we'll do is we will do a sankalpa, and then we will chant Ashtottara Namavali and the second chapter of the Bhagavad Gita. It may take half an hour or more. Okay. So if you have questions, we can keep that for the next class. So let's do this. Let's have somebody, let's have a volunteer who would like to volunteer repeating the chants. All right. Bhagyashri.
Yeah, Bhagyashri is going to.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. So there you are.
It's okay.
So all of you can नेहाभिक्रमणाशोऽस्ति
नेहाभिक्रमणाशोऽस्ति
प्रत्यवायो न विद्यते
प्रत्यवायो न विद्यते
स्वल्पमप्यस्य धर्मस्य
स्वल्पमप्यस्य धर्मस्य
त्रायते महतो भयात्
त्रायते महतो भयात्
व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धिः
व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धिः
एकेह कुरु नन्दन
एकेह कुरु नन्दन
बहुशाखा ह्यनन्ताश्च
बहुशाखा ह्यनन्ताश्च
बुद्धयो व्यवसायिनाम्
बुद्धयो व्यवसायिनाम्
यामिमां पुष्पितां वाचम्
यामिमां पुष्पितां वाचं
प्रवदन्त्यविपश्चितः
प्रवदन्त्यविपश्चितः
वेदवादरताः पार्थ
वेदवादरताः पार्थ
नान्यदस्तीति वादिनः
नान्यदस्तीति वादिनः
कामात्मानः स्वर्गपराः
कामात्मानः स्वर्गपराः
जन्म कर्म फलप्रदाम्
जन्म कर्म फलप्रदाम्
क्रिया विशेषबहुलाम्
क्रिया विशेषबहुलाम्
भोगैश्वर्यगतिं प्रति
भोगैश्वर्यगतिं प्रति
भोगैश्वर्यप्रसक्तानाम्
भोगैश्वर्यप्रसक्तानां
तयापहृतचेतसाम्
तयापहृतचेतसां
व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धिः
व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धिः
समाधौ न विधीयते
समाधौ न विधीयते
त्रैगुण्यविषया वेदाः
त्रैगुण्यविषया वेदाः
निस्त्रैगुण्यो भवार्जुन
निस्त्रैगुण्यो भवार्जुन
निर्द्वन्द्वो नित्यसत्त्वस्थः
निर्द्वन्द्वो नित्यसत्त्वस्थः
निर्योगक्षेम आत्मवान्
निर्योगक्षेम आत्मवान्
यावानर्थ उदपाने
यावानर्थ उदपाने
सर्वतः सम्प्लुतोदके
सर्वतः सम्प्लुतोदके
तावान् सर्वेषु वेदेषु
तावान् सर्वेषु वेदेषु
ब्राह्मणस्य विजानतः
ब्राह्मणस्य विजानतः
कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते
कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते
मा फलेषु कदाचन
मा फलेषु कदाचन
मा कर्मफलहेतुर्भूः
मा कर्मफलहेतुर्भूः
मा ते सङ्गोऽस्त्वकर्मणि
मा ते संगोस्त्वकर्मणि
योगस्थः कुरु कर्माणि
योगस्थः कुरु कर्माणि
संगं त्यक्त्वा धनञ्जय
संगं त्यक्त्वा धनञ्जय
सिद्ध्यसिद्ध्योः समो भूत्वा
सिद्ध्यसिद्ध्यो समो भूत्वा
समत्वं योग उच्यते.
समत्वं योग उच्यते.
So we will now go to verse number 71. 71.
Okay.
Vihaya kaman
विहाय कामान्
yas sarvan
यः सर्वान्
umamscharati
पुमांश्चरति
nispruhah
निःस्पृहः
निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः
निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः
सशान्तिम्
स शान्तिम्
अधिगच्छति.
अधिगच्छति.
एषा ब्राह्मी
एषा ब्राह्मी
स्थितिः पार्थ
स्थितिः पार्थ
नैनां प्राप्य
नैनां प्राप्य
विमुह्यति.
विमुह्यति.
स्थित्वा स्याम्
स्थित्वा स्याम्
अन्तकालेऽपि
अन्तकालेऽपि
ब्रह्मनिर्वाणं
ब्रह्मनिर्वाणम्
ऋच्छति.
ऋच्छति.
ॐ तत्सत्
ॐ तत्सत्
इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु
इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु
उपनिषत्सु
उपनिषत्सु
ब्रह्मविद्यायां
ब्रह्मविद्यायां
योगशास्त्रे
योगशास्त्रे
श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे
श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे
सांख्ययोगो नाम
सांख्ययोगो नाम
द्वितीयोऽध्यायः.
द्वितीयोऽध्यायः.
So that completes our chanting of chapter 2. So let's complete the puja. So the steps are all there. So we are skipping a few steps in the puja, but some steps where we can chant, we are doing it. So when you do your puja at home, you can do the remaining steps. So the last few steps will be, after Abhishekam is done, we do this chanting, and then we offer Naivedyam, and then Harati, Karpura Nirajanam, and then we do the Yani Kanicha Papani, Namaskaram we do. So, and then we complete the puja with a couple of more shlokas. We will just say that. Okay. Mantrahinam
Mantrahinam
Kriyahinam
Kriyahinam
Bhaktihinam
Bhaktihinam
Maheshwara
Maheshwara
Yat Pujitam
Yat Pujitam
Mayahyeva
Maya Hyeva
Paripurnam
Paripurnam
Tadastute.
Tadastute.
So we are saying, very important shloka this is. We're saying that whatever we chanted, mantrahinam. So if I skipped any mantras that I was supposed to chant, kriyahinam. So in the ritual, in the rite, there are steps to do. And achamanam is there, pranayama is there, and so many things are there. If I did not do any of those things properly, mantrahinam, kriyahinam, bhaktihinam. So my attention wavered. I was supposed to be here, but I'm doing all kinds of things. Telephone is seeking my attention constantly, WhatsApp. So I hope you don't do that. Constantly WhatsApp means you'd finish your WhatsApp and come and do your puja. That is the way it is. Put the thing on mute. And so something or the other happened. So bhakti heenam, look at that. Maheshwara, yat pujitam maya heva paripurnam tadastute. Whatever I did, with Shraddha I did, and you please accept this as complete. This is the attitude with which you do our puja. Beautiful it is. And Bhagavan is not going to say no to this. He is not going to give me a slap and all that. He doesn't gain anything by slapping me. And so he is happy, I am also happy. So we saw that, and then the last steps are there where you actually, initially you invoke Krishna into that murti, and then later on you let Krishna go, leave the murti. And so beautiful steps are there. So I'm sure you're all doing that periodically. So with that, we complete today's puja of Krishna, where we chanted the 108 names of Sri Krishna. And in those names, I don't know how many of you noticed. And so you have the Krishna's Charitra is there, no? And so starting from, so Devaki Nandanaya Namaha, the one who is the son of Devaki, who else? And to whom, unto him, my Namaskar. And then Samantaka Manihatre Namaha. So one who stole the Samantaka Mani. And like Gopi Jana Vallabhaya Namaha. So one who is the one who brings happiness to all gopis. So like that, these are all stories of Krishna we know. This and then, but then there are other words. Other words are also there. What kind of words? Like Om Paratparaya Namaha, Om Achyutaya Namaha. Achyutaya Namaha, there won't be any story. One who does not decline. Chutina Vidyate. Paratparaya, one who is the greatest of the greatest. Means what? So compared to Rama and Vamana and all these people, and he's the greatest or what? Well, that's not the meaning. So Brahman. So here Brahma Tattvam is being highlighted. Okay. So so like this you have Om Sanatana Yanamaha. What do you think Sanatana represents? So again, remember we saw that shloka. Achedyo Yamadahyoyam Akledyo Shoshya Evacha Nitya Sarvagatasthānuhu Achaloyam Sanatanaha. Atma. So Atma is referred to as Sanatana. So unto the Krishna, who is none other than Atma, my salutations. So look at that. So you've got Saguna Brahma on the one side. Saguna Brahma means what? Brahma with all kinds of attributes. Brahma doesn't have attributes. But then I superimpose attributes called Krishna. And all his beauty we recall, all his avatara. Cheshta, all his cheshta we recall. Cheshta we can only apply to Krishna. We can't say cheshta to Rama. Cheshta means mischief, mischief. We can't say Rama applied mischief. How can you say that statement? So the cheshtas are all there in Saguna Brahma. Then you got Nirguna Brahma. Nirguna Brahma Shabdaha. So you will find these things in these Ashtottara Namavalis. So suppose I say, here one word was there, Sadgurave Namaha. Om Sadgurave Namaha. So is that Saguna Brahma or Nirguna Brahma? Quiz. This is called quiz. At the end of the puja, we have a quiz. So Sadgurave Namaha, all these Vedanta students are there. So I'm going to ask the question, is that referring to the Saguna Brahma or Nirguna Brahma?
I mean, if you look at the Guru Tattva, it is the Nirguna, but if it is the Guru in the form of a teacher, then it is Saguna. Both. It could be both.
Yeah. So I will do this. I will allow you all to unmute yourself. Okay, there it is. Yeah. So Guru. So the minute Gurutvam comes, Guru means teacher. Sadgurave Namaha, one who teaches. And so teaching, taught. So it is a guna. And therefore we put it under the category of Saguna Brahma. Okay. You can interpret it differently also. So like that you have many words. here in this Ashtotra Namavali. So with that, I am happy that we could chant Krishna's Ashtotra Namavali and Bhagavad Gita also. And so we'll get more opportunities. We have a lot more festivals coming up. There's no shortage. And so we've got Gita Jayanti coming up. So that becomes important for us. And then, of course, Vijayadashami and all is coming. Navaratri is coming, which will keep a lot of you busy. And so we will have opportunities to do more chanting. Okay?
When is Gita Jayanti?
December.
Gita Jayanti is coming up. I don't know exactly what date it is.
Usually it's in December.
This is December.
So November, December, it comes sometimes in that
December
range. It
8th.
comes.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Comes in December. Yeah, early December.
December 18th.
Correct. So we used to celebrate Gita Jayanti. Very interesting. Our celebrations slowly switch. The tone of the celebrations switch once you study Vedanta. Correct? Shankara Jayanti becomes important. As kids, we never heard of Shankara Jayanti. Did any of you hear of Shankara Jayanti? Unless your parents celebrated it, you would not hear about it. Araf Prasad ji saying, yeah. So Shankara has been in his life for a long time. That's good. But some of us were not so lucky.
He
And
came
so,
from Madhva family, so we don't know.
you won't know. Madhva family, you may not know. Correct.
But now I know because
Yeah. So our emphasis shifts. Remember, the key is our emphasis keeps shifting. So from Saguna Brahma, we are slowly shifting about Nirguna Brahma. That is the beauty. Ishvara is important, all the glories are important, but then you got to understand the cause of all the glory. And so this Jiveshwara Aikyam becomes important. So what we celebrate also changes. So Vyasa Purnima, I never heard about it. So suddenly Guru Purnima, Vyasa Purnima becomes very important. So that's how it works. So we will do that. It's already 8:30 in the morning here.
Jay
So-
Kumar, Amy has a question.
Thank you. Go ahead, Amy. You can unmute yourself. Each of you can do that. Yeah.
Yes. I was wondering what is the actual meaning of Gita Jayanti? Does it mean it was said on this particular day? I don't know.
Yeah. So they say Upadesha was given by Krishna to Arjuna on that day. And so that's how I've heard. Because they can find out in Mahabharata, all these astronomical signs are all there. So they can find out what tithi, when happened, and so forth, how many years back, all that they can find out. And so it's fairly easy to even say when. So they will say on this day, the Rohini Nakshatram was there and the moon was shining, the moon was full moon, like that they will say. Immediately, these fellows will start calculating. And moon shining, Rohini Nakshatram means it's not that many days. So immediately they can find out what were the days. So like that they find out. So short answer to your question is, yes, this is the day when Upadesha. Don't ask me questions, how many days it took, how long it took, and were there so many chapters, and did say, okay, Samaptaha, Sankhya Yoga, did you understand? Did they have these dialogues and all? It's all left to our own imagination.
So
thank you.
Nilesh Vogt says that it happened on 11th August 5216 BC.
5,000, exactly. Nilesh Oak has that idea. Then Dr. Raja released a book recently, and he has a slightly different idea.
Yeah.
And so very nice, good work. I'm very happy that our own people are now working on these kinds of subjects. So good. So we will conclude now. Any other questions or thoughts? So was this useful to you?
Yeah. Very nice. And thank you for giving me the opportunity to chant with you today.
Yeah, very good. Very nice. We'll do that. We'll do that more
It
often.
was beautiful, Guruji.
Okay.
Very good. Very
Nice. We'll get used, slowly we'll get used to it, and then we can, our chanting, for those of you for whom chanting was new or difficult, I'm sure you will also be finding that now Amy is shaking her head. Now she's saying, yeah, I can chant, not that difficult, so that's what happens. Good. Okay. Om Shri Guru Bhyo Namaha. Om. Let's chant the Dhanvantari mantra once. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय धन्वन्तरये अमृतकलशहस्ताय सर्वमय विनाशनाय त्रैलोक्यनाथाय श्री महाविष्णवे नमः। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय धन्वन्तरये अमृतकलशहस्ताय सर्वमय विनाशनाय त्रैलोक्यनाथाय श्री महाविष्णवे नमः। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय धन्वन्तरये अमृतकलशहस्ताय सर्वमय विनाशनाय त्रैलोक्यनाथाय श्री महाविष्णवे नमः। थैंक यू। हरि ओम। ओम तत्सत।
Thank you.
Namaste.
Thank you very much,
Thank you.
Guruji. Thank you, Guruji.
Take care.
Thank you, Jai Kumar ji.
Thank you. Yeah.
Dhanyawad.